Hey guys, it's Clovis here with a little update from the Volvo. I've worked quite a bit on it since last vid. As you can see, there's no more windshield. I've started to sand most of the rust. It's going quite well. Of course, there's a lot of job to do. I'm probably gonna sand the whole car for the new paint job, but so far it's going fine. To prepare it for the paint job, I removed, last vid I removed the badges and the trim. Since then, I've removed the front grille, the headlight covers, same for the turn signals, and around same thing on the back. As you can see, I've done a lot of sanding there, and also I've gotten rid of the two lights and everything. I'm not sure if I shown it last video. However, I got a custom 262C license plate, which is pretty neat. Well, less neat is that I cannot really use it yet because it's not really driving. But yeah, just a small little update. I'll keep working on it and probably update you if anything's important. Right now it's really just sanding the whole car and get it ready for the eventual paint job. So thanks for sticking by.